Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to add credit card on DHgate. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open DHgate application. Make sure you're logged into your account. So in DHgate, you'll not be able to find the direct option for adding the credit card. But in order to add the credit card, what you have to do is simply go to the checkout interface. If you add the credit card over there, that credit card will be added to your account. So what you have to do is simply go to your card. If you do not have any item on cart, you can simply tap on the product. Now you can tap on the option add to cart that you can see right over here on your screen. After you do that, what you have to do is tap on the cart option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll be able to view the cart. You'll be able to see all the products on your cart over here. Tap on this option checkout that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find the option for payment method. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for adding the card. So what you have to do is simply tap on this option, add a new card. Now you'll be able to add the credit card over here. All you have to do is enter your card number, expiration date and CVV. So first of all, tap on the field of card number. Now enter the card number over here. After you do that, what you have to do is tap on the field of expiration date and enter the expiration date. First of all, enter the month. Now enter the year. Likewise, you'll have to enter the CVV. Simply enter the CVV over here. Make sure the information that you provided are correct. Once you do that, tap on the confirm option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll have to confirm the billing address. Ensure the billing address matches the one on your credit card information. After you confirm the billing address, you can submit your information. DHgate will verify your payment details and the card will be added to your account. So that is how you add credit card on DHgate. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.